I'm Leo.
And I'm Marie.
And we are the
Traveling Lovebirds.
We are going to, guess where? Krispy Kreme.
Yeah. Yep.
They have here a new...
superhero
donuts. We got to get those.
Yeah, those are new.
We're all superheroes. We're the super lovebirds. So we're going to take you along with us.
And super fattening.
Yes. So we're going to see...
But let's see if they have them. Hopefully
you want to know something? They really put a lot of effort and art into it, you know?
I know.
So we're going to take you along with us. So here we go. What a day. It's the place to be. Shine like the sun. What a day. What time is it?
8:30.
Oh, I bet you they don't have them left. They do have them.
Batman. Oh, this is so exciting. I'm so excited. How much are the superheroes?
Wow, thank you very much. That's nice. Very nice of you.
Let's look at this.
Yeah, get some napkins. I want to get a picture of this too. I know. That's so cool. That's because of the new Superman movie, right?
Oh, is that why?
Isn't there a new Superman movie? July 12th?
Oh, are you going to go see it? Yeah,
That's this weekend, yeah.
So there's the picture up there.
Yeah.
It's what's it called? Hungry for Heroes.
Nice. Thanks again. You too. This is where the conveyor, this is where they do this is where everything is made right here. This is nice. Look at how nice and clean it is, too. I love it here. So this is a big one. All right, let's go test out our donuts.
I got my Krispy Kreme hat.
Now, when they first opened, they had a Krispy Kreme car here. Remember?
They did, remember?
Yeah, that's not here no more.
No,
so
I
they
guess
must
they
have...
all don't have them. So.
No.
But look, I love this box.
Wow, look at this box. Wow, look at this. They really get into it. So that he said that the movie's coming out July 12th.
Right.
Like Marie just said.
So that's why they brought out this
And look at these. I want to show you. Look at the way. Oh, these are so cute.
They're adorable.
He said this is cookies and cream.
Right.
Regular donut.
Right. And this is the vanilla.
Yeah,
frosting.
vanilla frosting. So that is like so cool. I wonder if this is edible. You think so? Is that Batman edible?
Oh, I think so. I think it's chocolate.
Is it?
Yeah, I think that's that like hard chocolate.
We forgot to ask him. Because there's Superman too. I wonder if that's just a sticker, if that's edible. So Marie's gonna eat her Batman donut now. So what is that, Marie? Cookies and cream? Oh, look at that. Show me. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, that looks so damn good.
Yeah.
You gonna have some?
Yep.
Okay. She's gonna eat her donut. She's shot. There we go. All right. How is it? You taste the cookies?
Yeah.
Is it
Cookies
Oreo, right?
Yeah,
Oreo
but
cookies.
it's like, you know what? It's like vanilla frosting with really soft, not chunky Oreos.
No, it's all crushed
It's like
up.
minced, yeah.
Yeah, it's all minced up. It's like Oreo breadcrumbs.
Yeah.
Oreo crumbs. It's very. See that sign behind me right there? When you see that sign, you know anything about Krispy Kreme. That sign is red. That means you're getting nice, fresh donuts.
Good.
But-
What are you gonna have?
I don't know.
I'm done with mine.
Yeah, look at Marie. She ate her donut already. She had the Batman one that had the.
Batman.
What did it have inside? Cookies and cream.
Yeah.
Cookies.
So it's like an
cookies and-
Oreo
Yeah.
filling.
I think I want to try the Superman one. He said that's just like a regular, like a
Vanilla
or something.
and
right?
these are just like the regular glaze.
It's a regular
so
donut.
Cute.
Yeah.
That's so patriotic, you know. As
know.
Wonder Woman is, you know.
Yeah.
And I
Let's
love
see.
this.
I'm gonna try this one.
Here, let me get you. Let me see.
This is the
inside.
Superman. Let's see.
How is that? Is it plain vanilla filling?
Yeah. It's just like plain white sugary filling. It's good.
So,
Oh. That's a smooth.
what's your topping like? Is it
like,
marshmallowy? Yeah, so it's like spongy. Like your
No. I mean inside.
No, I know. You're Superman.
It's a different cream. There's different cream
Yeah.
on the top. I don't know. I'm afraid to eat the Superman. Is it edible?
Yeah, I had it.
It is. It is like marshmallow, Marie.
I told you, right? It's like not hard. It's not like
No.
chocolate. It's like a.
I hope we're able to
Spongy.
eat these. Hope we're not eating a sign or a sticker. But this is good. Oh. Here, taste some. Want to taste?
I'll try.
Yeah. We're going to try the Superman. Right, it's got a very good cream.
Yeah.
Almost, I would say it's like a buttercream, no?
Like a custardy?
Yeah.
Almost.
Well,
I taste a little custard.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I'm saying it's a buttercream because it's not
Could be,
yellow.
yeah. No.
It's white, so
Yeah. It's really good.
really
It's not like. Sometimes that vanilla frosting inside is too sweet.
Yeah,
This
it's
isn't-
very
I mean,
sugary.
it's sweet, but obviously you're eating a donut. That's probably about 100,000 calories.
I know. I didn't even notice how much what about the calories. But who's counting calories right now? After all these, you know what? These are gonna stay. They stay good for at least what 2 days?
Yeah, if you put them right. Let's probably put them in a container
Yeah.
when we get home. But if the kids don't finish them, well,
They'll finish them whenever, as soon as they see them.
that's why I already text them. Look at them. My little angel says, those look fire.
Wow, this is like it's really sweet though.
Sweet little
Very
angel.
sugary.
Yeah, but not like,
Oh.
probably with the top, yeah.
It squeezes out.
It really looks pretty too. They really took the time to decorate
I
it.
know. They really do. I gotta finish this. You gotta take small bites because it's so
Yeah,
sweet.
yeah.
And you really gotta take your time with it. I don't think I'm gonna sleep tonight.
Between the caffeine and the sugar.
Well, I had the caffeine way earlier,
Yeah.
but these were really nice guys inside there. They
Yeah.
were really nice. We left them a good tip and everything.
Yeah.
He was telling us, this is because the movie's coming out
Yeah. July
12th
12th. Yeah.
this weekend.
Yeah.
Oh. I need some napkins over here.
So I really enjoyed this.
I'm going to show you. You got any water?
I know. So we have tons at home.
I want to take a picture. Let me see.
Look
Look at these.
They're so beautiful.
They make a really
so talented. You see, look at how, like, you know how they have the light going up,
yeah,
like in Batman.
yeah, the Batman light,
Like
and
the
everything.
light, you know, they in what is it, the Metropolis, or what do they call it?
Gotham City.
And they have the light
Gotham
going
City.
up to the sky. And Superman, look at how cute. He got the
I know.
sprinkles on top, like him flying,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And the Wonder Woman is just amazing.
Wonder Woman is like this. So look at that. That's so cool. That's like pretty much like her outfit, right? Like
Yeah.
her.
I love
I'm
it.
surprised they don't have her on it. Let's move this one to there, and this one over to here.
Yeah.
Look at how nice. See how nice we're organized.
Thank you, Krispy Kreme. We love your donuts, and
Yeah,
it's
they're really
always
good.
fun. I know they had the 4th
They
of
always have-
July. We never got to.
Every
do those.
holiday.
Yeah. So we just get
Yeah.
average $3 a piece.
Well,
Yeah, $3 a piece.
so for 6 of these, because they're specialty donuts,
Yeah.
6 of them was $18, $18.76
Right.
or 18
Yeah.
something, which was,
So
you know
$30
what?
dollars for
When
the
you think
dozen.
about all the art and everything
Yeah.
and all the decoration that goes into it, I guess it's not
And they're a
that bad.
novelty, you know.
It's a novelty, exactly. Well, so what does that average out? About $3 a donut?
Yeah.
3, 6, 9, 12, yeah.
36, I guess then it was. If it was a dozen, I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, so I know.
But I don't think. I think when you bought a dozen, it was less. I
Probably
forget. But so around that, so figure like $30 some dollars with tax or whatever.
Yeah.
No, I'm looking forward to the movie though. How about you?
I am.
Yeah,
I was always big into Superman,
yeah,
you know, especially
It'll be fun to
when I was
see.
a kid,
yeah.
you know. But
And our movie theater is so comfortable.
yeah.
And if you're part of AMC, which we are, we get the seats, what, $7 on Tuesdays?
Yeah, I think it's $7 on
So we'll
Tuesdays.
go Tuesday.
I won't go when it first comes out. It's too crowded.
Yeah, we'll wait.
You probably got to buy the tickets in advance and everything
Yeah.
else, but this was good. We came here especially for these, and this was so happy they had them, because you know normally they're closing soon, so you know you would think that they wouldn't have
I didn't
had
think
any
they'd
left.
have them,
You
yeah.
know?
They had enough out that we were able to buy these, so.
Yeah, worked out good. Closed the box.
Yeah.
And we opened the box back up.
I feel like it's silly putty.
Yeah, you remember like we with the comic strips, remember? Oh my god, that's so funny.
Yeah,
I hope it's edible ink. Oh no. A lot of fun. This was fun.
Yeah.
I'm so happy we did this. It was a good idea, Marie.
yeah.
You know, I didn't get a hat.
Go get one.
Yeah.
Before they close. Got 10 minutes.
They have all kinds of merch and stuff in there too and everything. I didn't really I took some pictures of that. I took a picture of that when we came in and everything.
Yeah.
But it was fun. So thank you so much. It's just a
Yeah.
short vlog. I thank you so much for coming along
We
on
want to
this.
get it out. Get yours. The movie's going to be out. We'll have some fun. And, you know, have like a movie party. If you're able to stream the movie, I don't know. Some people
I
can.
think so.
I don't know. Some people are
even come
able
out.
to get a dozen donuts or a few donuts.
You
And,
get the donuts while you're watching the
right, or bring it into the movies. with you.
bring it into the movie theater.
Actually, it's probably cheaper than the
Then their stuff. I don't know.
the snacks there.
I don't know. These were pretty expensive though.
Yeah,
But you know what? It's the novelty.
yeah,
That's the
it's
novelty.
fun.
So, again, thank you so much for coming
Yeah.
along on this memory with
Give a
us.
thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to ring that notification bell to keep up on the content of our vlogs that we're
Yeah,
doing and
of
sharing our
course.
memories. And
Don't forget to subscribe.
subscribe, please, and thank you again for all the new subscribers and our loyal subscribers.
And you can even share this video if you like.
Mhm.
It's going to be fun.
Yeah.
So,
Thanks for coming along in this memory. I
till the
wish-
next memory.
Yeah, stay well. God bless.
See you then. What a day. the place to be. Shine like the sun. What a day.